Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. We'll guide you through how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and open up a new tab just like so, and as you can see on the new tab page, we've got some shortcuts here and the option to add a shortcut. So go and click there, and what you can do is then go and name it. So I'll just go and name this guy. Realm can have what you want. Now you can add the URL. You can go and manually type it in. What I prefer to do is just go and highlight it, right-click and press copy. Then come and right-click in the URL box and we can go and paste it. Press done, and as you can see, it's now been added. Now when I click on the shortcut, it takes me straight there. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.